What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And the Google Pixel 8 series this time around will be getting some of the major upgrades which we have been waiting to see for a long time, and even Google was playing the catch-up game in its own department, which is about receiving the Android software update and software support. Now, the lifespan of this, historically, the best software updates have been given by Apple, and after that, the Samsung in the past couple of years. But however, in the recent reports suggest that the Google Pixel 8 series will be getting a better or even at the same par level from the Google's or Apple's smartphones, which is expected to be around 5 years of major OS upgrades, and more than that, the security patch updates. Now, not only that, this can only be possible by the all-new Google Tensor G3 processor, and Google is really committed to the new processor provided for its own smartphone. Now, apart from that, providing major Android OS upgrades in the flagship phone, the Samsung was able to do this for 4 years of major OS upgrades and 5 years of security patch. But the Android department is going to change forever by the Google Tensor processor. Well, right now, the Google Pixel devices were only available for 3 major OS upgrades and 5 years of security patch, which was falling short from Apple and Samsung. However, the Pixel 8 series will be bringing a significant shift in the Android software support. According to the 9 to 5, Google sources suggest that it may be extended its Google policy, and indeed matching, as we said, with the iPhone's 5 years of major guaranteed OS upgrade, which is a huge deal. Also considering the pricing is a different one, as the Pixel 8 series will be starting for the price of around $750 in the US market and the $950 for the Pixel 8 Pro. Now, the major upgrades are also coming in the form of hardware as well in the phone, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom to get more such updates, tech updates. Now, what we also know about this is that the Pixel won't be coming with any kind of an eSIM, but a physical SIM will be present in the phone, and the next level low light photography, which was introduced earlier from the Pixel earlier series, the night shift, is going to getting a next level in the Pixel 8 series. Now, the phone even also promises a better recording capabilities in the low light conditions, and as we all know how Google and AI work together side by side, and this won't be an exception anyway. Now, if you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. And I'll see you in the very next one.